Hi students, how are you all? Okay, today we will learn the question number 12 of exercise 14C 7th edition D1. Okay, now look at here. An open rectangular tank of length 18 centimeter, breadth 16 centimeter, contains the water to the depth of 13 centimeter. It means length, breadth and height of the rectangular container is given to us. When we multiply all these three things, we will get the volume of that container. Actually, we will get the water's volume that is contained in this rectangular container. Okay, move now. The water is poured into the cylindrical container of the diameter 17 centimeter. Okay, the thing is this. Now we will pour this whole water into the cylindrical container whose diameter is given to us. They want to know the volume of the water. They want to know the height of water in the cylindrical container, and they want to know the surface area of the cylindrical container that is in contact with the water. We have to three things. Okay, just move to the solution. As they gives us a rectangular container it was, and they told us its length was 16 centimeter, breadth was 13 centimeter, and height was the height was 13 centimeter and the breadth was 18 centimeter. Okay, so it is the volume of the rectangle, length, breadth, height. So 16 multiplied by 18 centimeter multiplied by 13 centimeter. Centimeter, it becomes centimeter cube. When we will multiply 16, 18 and 30, it will return the 3744. So the volume of container, the rectangular container actually is 3744 centimeter cubic. It means the volume which contained is this rectangular container is 3744 centimeter cube. Now we will pour this whole water into this container. Okay, now what? As the water inside this container or in this type of container, the volume of water obviously will remain same. Okay, so the volume of water will remain same. Here the diameter of this cylindrical container is given to us, which was 17 centimeter. Okay, as the diameter is given to us, it is 17 centimeter, and we know that radius is d by 2, which will become 17 by 2. So we will get it, and it becomes 8.5 centimeter. Okay, so it is the radius of this cylinder. They want to know the height. We know that volume of the cylindrical container, I will make a little cylinder over it so it will differentiate that the volume of the cylinder, it is the volume of container, the rectangular container. So it is given by pi r square h. Okay, volume's value is given to us, so we will write it here. Pi's value 3.14, r's value is 8.5 centimeter square, and h comes as it is. As they want to know h, so h will remain here, and it becomes 3744 centimeter cubic over 3.14 multiplied by 8.5 centimeter square. Okay, when we will calculate the whole these three things, it becomes 744 centimeter cubic over 2 to 6.86 centimeter square. This will be cancelled by this and it comes over here. When we will do so, it gives the height. Okay, using the calculator, when we will find it, it becomes height will become 16.5 centimeter. So the height is this. In the next step, they want to know the total surface area of this container, which is, as it is open cylinder, it means its base is, it's only one base is will be count, the b1, the b2 is not here. So normally it is 2 pi r square, but this time it become pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so the pi's value 3.14, r's value is 8.5 square plus 2, as it is 3.14 and 2 8.5, and height is 16.5. when we will multiply this portion, will become 2 to 6.86, plus when we will do it, it becomes 8.177. when we will add these two things, it becomes 1107. when we will move it to 3 significant figure, it becomes 1110. So this is the total surface area of this cylindrical, I will make a little cylinder over here, yeah, this total surface area of this cylindrical container. Okay.